June 10, 1888, the renowned Indian revolutionary Balraj Bhalla was born. His father was Mahatma Hansraj, who was a renowned educator and the first principal of DAV College, Lahore. Balraj Bhalla became involved in anti-British revolutionary movements at a very young age. This was the reason why he had completed his education up to MA, but the British had confiscated his university degree. Then in 1919, Balraj Bhalla was sentenced to 3 years in prison for throwing a bomb at the Viceroy's carriage. After this, he was involved in the Lahore conspiracy case and was sentenced to rigorous imprisonment. It is said that Balraj Bhalla was greatly influenced by the revolutionary Lala Lajpat Rai. Moreover, in order to obtain support for his activities, Balraj Bhalla had once secretly travelled to Germany as well. In the final days of his life, Balraj Bhalla lost faith in political violence and became a follower of Gandhi's non-violent path. Balraj Bhalla passed away on October 26, 1956. On June 10, 1986, India defeated England by 5 wickets at Lord's Ground, winning their first ever test match there. It is quite a challenging task to achieve victory at Lord's Cricket Ground. Therefore, the victory of the Indian team in this match is considered historic. This match was significant because prior to this, India had lost 8 out of 10 matches played, with 2 matches ending in a draw. The credit for the victory in this match goes to the then Indian captain Kapil Dev, as he scored a magnificent 23 runs off the last 10 balls to secure a splendid victory for India. In this match, India won the toss and decided to bowl first, following which the England team had scored 294 runs in the first innings on the back of Graham Goode's 114 and Derek Pringle's 63 runs. In response, the Indian team had scored 341 runs in their first innings. Then in the second inning, the English batsmen collapsed at 180 runs. Consequently, India had a great opportunity to win the match. In the second inning, Kapil Dev scored 52 runs and Maninder Singh took 3 wickets. India won the second test match of the series played at Lord's by 279 runs. The third and final test of the series ended in a draw. Thus, Team India won the series 2-0.
शिक्षा देश का गौरव है और RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी शिक्षा का उद्यम है। RKDF में सवारे अपना भविष्य। PhD MPhil करे अपने पसंदीदा विषय में। सर्टिफिकेट डिप्लोमा के 74 कोर्सेज। RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी। RKDF में सवारे अपना भविष्य। PhD MPhil करे अपने पसंदीदा विषय में। सर्टिफिकेट डिप्लोमा के 74 कोर्सेज केवल RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी में। RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी। RKDF में सवारे अपना भविष्य। सर्टिफिकेट डिप्लोमा के 74 कोर्सेज केवल RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी में। RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी। RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी में एडमिशंस ओपन। RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी भविष्य को लेकर परेशान है? RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी है इसका हल। PhD MPhil किसी भी विषय में। डिप्लोमा के अनेक अवसर है RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी में। एडमिशंस ओपन। RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी। एजुकेशन ग्लोरिफाइज नेशन।
On June 10, 2003, the American space agency NASA launched the rover known as Spirit from Cape Canaveral Air Force Station, Florida, using a Delta II rocket for the planet Mars. Along with Spirit, another rover named Opportunity was also sent to the Mars surface. The objective of both these rovers was to conduct in-depth exploration of the Mars and gather information about the environment, geology, and possible presence of water there. This mission was initially planned for only 90 days, but both rovers operated on the Mars surface for much longer. Spirit rover worked for 6 years, while Opportunity rover continued to gather information about Mars for 15 years. Both rovers weighed 185 kilograms and were 5.1 feet long and 7.5 feet wide. It is said that Spirit and its companion rover Opportunity made significant contribution to the exploration of the Mars surface. The discovery by these rovers strengthened evidence for water on Mars and helped scientists better understand Martian geology. On June 10, 1890, the British government declared Sunday as a holiday for the first time. Prior to this, work was done on all 7 days of the week. There's a story behind the declaration of Sunday as a holiday as well. In fact, Christian people did not work on Sundays. They went to churches on Sundays and prayed. However, Indians had to work. Indian laborers had to work in mills all 7 days of the week without any day off. The labor leader Narayan Meghaji Lokhande understood the plight of the laborers and proposed the idea of Sunday as a holiday to the British government. However, the British outrightly rejected it. But after relentless struggle and efforts by leader Narayan Meghaji Lokhande for 7 years, the British finally accepted it and declared Sunday as a holiday. On June 10, 1752, Benjamin Franklin flew a kite attached to an iron wire to learn about lightning and electricity. Benjamin Franklin was one of the founding fathers of America. Franklin wanted to understand how lightning striking in cities and towns causes serious fires, especially in houses made of wood. As part of this endeavor, Benjamin Franklin conducted an experiment with a kite to better understand atmospheric electricity. He attached an iron wire to the top of the kite, which acted as a lightning rod. In addition, there were 2 types of strings attached to fly the kite. The upper part of the kite was connected with a thread made of flax, while the lower part, which Franklin held, was made of silk. Between these 2 parts, there was a key. After flying the kite in the rain for a while, as soon as Franklin touched the key, he felt a shock. This happened because the negative charge accumulated on the key was attracted to the positive charge in Franklin's hand. Thus, Benjamin Franklin discovered that if a metal is placed on the high points of a building, then even after the lightning strikes, the metal will conduct the electricity away from the building and thereby prevent a fire inside the house.